Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, by seeing the thumbnail itself, you all might have received a basic idea about which topic we are going to discuss today. Yes guys, it is true. You can learn complete Python within 1 month, that too for free of cost. Not only Python, you can learn Java, Scala, JavaScript, or else any other even front-end, back-end frameworks, even database also. You can learn complete computer related any kind of coding, or else even non-technical questions in cloud computing commands. Everything you can learn completely for free. So for this there is a special website, or else you can say that it is your personal assistant who can help you very well to learn completely, and that is for free of cost. You don't even need to pay 1 rupee also. I guess many of them have guessed that particular website by now. It's not a wrong thing, but yeah, just pause the video, and if you have guessed the website correctly, please comment it below, and do share this video with your friends who are learning computers or else the coding. It will be very helpful for them. So in this video I'll be showing you all how to learn complete Python within 1 month, that too for free of cost. So now let us not waste our time, let's dive into our today's topic. So guys, before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. This will help the community to grow, and it will encourage me to do more videos. So let us not waste our time. So guys, before that, if you remember, previously I have made a video on Python roadmap, complete roadmap. So in that I have given this particular URL link. You can check out that particular video also. In that I have clearly given you a structure explanation how you can complete the Python very faster and in a structural way. There will be no confusion. By seeing this roadmap you can easily complete Python very faster. So let's not waste our time. So this is the particular roadmap for 2022 and 2023 I have created. That particular video will be in this video description. You can check out that, as well as in this iCard session. So I don't think for installation that website will help you, so you can ignore the installation. For installation you can refer the videos here. For each and every particular topic there is a video link. You can just click on this, it will be redirecting to the video where I have explained you all how to install easily and faster. So if I am ignoring this installation part, let's go to our Python basics part. Before that I should show you all that particular website, right? So let me just open the new tab and search for that. It is nothing but Chatgpt, which is by OpenAI. It's an reinforcement model and a machine learning model, which will help you all to learn faster. So new chat, I have selected new chat. So guys, you can see here in this introduction, you can ask to Chatgpt itself Python introduction, it will give you. So I am ignoring this one also. And Jupyter Notebook usage and installation, I guess it will be better if you refer the video. Here is the link, you can just refer that particular video. And when it comes to Python basics with example, you can refer this video. It's very basic and theoretical knowledge. These all are somewhat a bit theory. It will be very helpful for you all in the time of interview. You can check out this. Now let me directly go to data types and variable. For this, nothing but just open the Chatgpt and you can ask to this particular bot like explain me about Python data types and with example code. If you just give this and press enter, you can see here Python has several built-in data types including integer, float, string and boolean. You can see for each and everything it is automatically generating. So you can see the data types it has given here: integer, float, string and boolean, and each and everything it has given an example code also. It is generating, still it is yet generating. So boolean means you all know it is 0 and 1, so we call it boolean and nothing but true and false. So it has even given you all and code also. You can just personally you can just personally copy this code directly and execute in your Jupyter Notebook or else in Google Colab and check it out whether that is right or not. I feel it is perfectly correct. So you can see here whatever I have explained in the video, you can even refer the video also, and if you just search here, you can see it is giving you Python data types and variables with an example code. You can just see the code, you can try to execute. You can see here float, a number with decimal points such as 3.4, minus 2.5, etc. So integer, it is nothing but the whole number such as 1, 2, 3, minus 10, etc. And you can see here even boolean, it has two values, that is true and false, that is nothing but 0 and 1. For each and everything it has given you all and separate code. You can check out this, it will be very helpful. So this is just a Python basic. For basic level it is able to generate this one. Let us see about even the advanced level also. Let us go back to the roadmap. So data types and variables, it is done. If you just check out that, you will get it. Boolean types. Let us see with looping statements. Looping statements and conditional statements. The same, I'll just copy the same. We don't need to type again. Explain me about Python. Conditional statements with an example code. So you can see it already started to generate the code. If condition, here is an example, x is equals to 5. If x is greater than 0, then print x is positive. So this is if condition. Then it comes with else condition. You all know if, else, elif, all these are the conditional statements. So whoever know Python, they easily understand what is this if condition and else condition. You can see here in Python, conditional statements is used to perform different actions based on the different conditions. The common type of condition statement is if statement. We normally use if statement a bit more. So you can copy all this code and you can even try out. See here, else is there, elif is there, x is equals to 5. If x is greater than 0, print x is positive. Else, if equal to x is equal to 0, then print x is 0, else print it is negative. So x is positive if x is greater than 0, so it's definitely greater than 0, so the condition would stop here itself. So x is equals to 5, so 5 is greater than 0, right? So this particular condition will be your output. So if x is double equal to 0, if here the 0 was there, then it would print this particular condition, x is 0. And if you give your minus 5 or minus 2 or something, then it will give you x is negative. So I guess you all got this particular point. So you can even do this same. You can even use the and or operators also. You can check out this particular complex coding related things. You can refer my video for the detailed explanation, and for overview this much it will be enough. You can easily understand the coding faster. So conditional statements is done. I hope for looping statements you would try it out. It will give you the same. So let's come to the intermediate level now. So map function, filter function, functions in Python, lambda function, map function and filter function. So let us check with lambda function only. About Python, lambda function with example code. So Python lambda function is a small anonymous function that can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. So you have to remember this. This function is also known as lambda expression or simply lambdas. So you can see here it is giving lambda arguments is equals to expression. It has given you the syntax, and after the syntax it has given you the code. Actually that particular syntax matters a lot. So if you understand the syntax for each and every topic, whether it is for conditional statements or else looping statements, and even you can say it for this particular map function, filter function and lambda function, if you understand but syntax, you can easily write the code at any time. If you know that particular syntax, you can easily write whichever code you want at any point of time. If you don't know also, you can just see that you will get to know. It is not like you should remember everything. It only depends on your capability. You have to understand the syntax and if you know the understand the syntax, you can easily write the code. It is not like you have to remember everything in your mind. There is a Google, and now even you have this particular personal assistant, which is Chatgpt, which will help you all a lot to complete everything faster and learn everything faster. So you can see here it has given you all the lambda function. Lambda function is like a bit lazy kind of function for us, because it will help us all to write the code very faster in 2 to 3 lines, where it takes 5 to 6 lines, that will complete in 2 to 3 lines. It will save the space. You can say that it is very good for space complexity. So in intermediate level, you can check out all this. This is like I have created it in a structural way only. First basics, each and topic by topic, then it comes to the intermediate, in that every topic is available. Now let us see about the advanced level, that is logging and exception handling. You can ask about this also, and even there are some OS commands, iterators versus generators, you can ask. Let me to just show you all. Let us see about logging or iterators or generators. Let us see about logging and exception handling. I would recommend you all to just search about iterators and generators, the same in this particular Chatgpt. Explain me about Python concepts with example code. It's logging and exception handling. In Python, logging module gives the log messages of the file and the console. You can see, if you see the example code, you will get to know. You can see it's generating each and every output very easily. In that, there is something called info, and there is something called warning and errors. Every particular this one will have a different meaning, like logging.info, logging.warning, logging.error. If you check out my video, you'll get to know I have explained about them. And also you can see the example codes here also. If you just try to read this all also, you'll get to know what is that. And there is something called finally block. No matter what the particular exception is raised or not, it will always execute. That particular finally block will always execute. Whether it's correct or wrong, it doesn't matter. That is just used when if you want some particular output continuously, whether it's wrong or right, I want that particular output definitely, then you can use the finally block. Don't worry, just check out all this, you will feel it a bit easier. And let us come to OOPS concept. You can ask about data abstraction and data encapsulation, the same. Explain me about Python data encapsulation with example code. Just stay with me until the last. I guess this is the last module. After this, I'll show you all a very nice option with the help of Chatgpt, what you can do. It will automatically generate all the code for you all. So I'll show you all how that happens. So it's getting done. By the time, let it to generate. By the time, what are the next web frameworks? I have not covered this topic. You can check out about this. You can ask to Chatgpt. So I have not given any links to this. I'll cover this in the further videos. So until data abstraction is covered, you can check out my playlist also, and you can even read this particular Chatgpt one also. You can see the code. Class, it has created the class module, and in the def function, bank account is the class, and account is equals to bank account 1000 account.deposit. So you can check out all this code. This is based on the OOPS concept. If you know the OOPS concept, you can easily understand this particular coding. This is nothing but a modular coding. And attribute error, everything you will get to know when you start to code. You can ask each and everything. You can ask here itself, what is attribute error in Python? And what is indentation error? When you are learning for the first time, you make more errors related to indentation. You have to check with the indentation properly. In Python, I am giving in Python for everything, because if you don't give in Python, it will by default take some other languages like C, C++ or even Java. So you can see here, attribute error in Python occurs when you are trying to access an attribute or method that does not exist, or an object. For example, you might try to access an instance variable that hasn't been defined, something like that. So that will raise an attribute error for you all. So guys, you all got the point. So this is the main use of Chatgpt, and you can even like directly ask something like in Chatgpt it can code everything. Like I'll just show you all an example of front-end page also, then we'll see what we can do. A basic in Python. You can just search for this. Not only front end, it will even give you all the example also, basic chatbot code. If you run this, that particular chatbot will try to answer accordingly. If hello, then it will say that hello, how can I help you? This is a chatbot, basic chatbot code. It has been created using the while function and even while statement and even if and else conditional statements. You can see here, if hello, if in user.input is equals to lower, print chatbot hello, how can I help you? Elif bye, if user prints bye, then it will say that chatbot will say that goodbye, have a great day. And what is your name? Then chatbot will answer that my name is chatbot. You can modify accordingly, else it will print that I'm sorry, I didn't understand what you said. So somewhat this also works the same, even this chatbot also, if it doesn't understand anything, our OpenAI chatbot will also give the same, sorry, I did not understand anything, can you try to change the code or something, or else change the way of asking. You can see here it is even showing GPT-3. These all are trained in NLP, something like that. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. I hope I was able to explain you all a bit better, and do share this video with your friends and do subscribe the channel. Bye bye.